In this problem, they want us to evaluate the expressions when A equals 2/3. So for A, I have 24A, which is 2/3, right? 24 divided by 3, right? I can cancel that and get 8. 8 times 2 is 16, right? Or I could have done 24 times 2 is 48 over 3, which is 16. Either way, cross-canceling is going to be quicker, right? B, I have 3 times A, which is 2/3. The 3's cancel. I'm left with 2. For C, I have A over 0, right? A is 2/3. So I have 2/3 over 0, right? Anything divided by 0 is undefined in mathematics, right? So anything divided by 0 is undefined, right? So even if it's fraction, it's undefined. And then D, I have 0 over A, 0 over 2/3. Well, if I have 0 over anything other than 0, it's 0, right? 0 ninths is 0, 0 1/100ths is 0, 0 1 millionths is 0, 0 2/3 is 0, right? So